And now it's become a thing.
It's a thing,
We're
definitely.
gonna get there in the next few minutes with Luke and Susie.
Hello, just have finalized installing Android head unit with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in Cruze 2013, I guess it is. So it's quite sunny day, so gonna be hard to see the actual result of screen resolution. This is reverse camera installed as well. It comes with a HD camera in Australia, and I will put that link below where you can buy this device. So all these buttons on system, steering wheel, they are working fine. Just gonna show you quickly the canvas settings if you have bought it, and if your steering wheel buttons not working, then you wanna make sure that following setting is selected on canvas. So yeah, race Chevrolet Cruze 2008 to 2013. Make sure you have this setting. It does have a wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, FM and AM radio as well. What else you wanna see in this one? So you can play YouTube. It has Wi-Fi. Sport a HD camera as well, normal camera. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.